For today's fluency activity, it's a little bit different, but we're going to be multiplying and dividing by the same number. I hope you thought about what might happen if we do that, if we multiply and divide by the same number. So take a look at this. I know that 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, what is 6 times 10? Yeah, it's 60. Well, I wonder what would happen if I took 60 and I divided 60 by 10. I wonder what that would give me. Yeah, 60 divided by 10 is 6. What do you notice? Yeah, you end up with the same number that you began with. So take a look at this problem. 3 times 2 times 10 divided by 10. Basically, that's what we just did. 3 times 2 is 6. And then if I multiply it by 10 and I divide by 10, they kind of cancel each other out, don't they? And I end up with the same product that I started with. So, take a look at this one. What if I had 5 and 1/10 times 10? What would 5 and 1/10 times 10 be? Well, we're going to multiply, divide. Okay, so the multiplication sign tells me to move to the right one time. I'm going to move that decimal one time to the right. 5 and 1/10 times 10 equals 51. Well, then what if I divide 51 by 10? Well, now I'm moving that decimal to the left one time. There it is. 5 and 1/10. I end up with the same number that I started with. 5 and 1/10 times 10 divided by 10 equals 5 and 1/10. Remember, when you multiply and divide by the same number, you're going to end up with the same thing you began with. Interesting. This gets us ready for what we're doing today. I bet you could trick somebody at home and ask them 3 and 5/10 times 10 divided by 10 equals, yeah, you got it, 3 and 5/10. How about 4 and 8/10 times 10 divided by 10? What are you going to get? You don't even need a whiteboard. I bet you can do this so quickly in your head. 5 and 3/10 times 10 divided by 10 equals, I beat you. Awesome. Good job on fluency today.